Hey, good afternoon. I had an experience today that gave me a moment to pause, something to think about, and it reminded me of something that I keep on my wall. I'm going to show you my colleagues across the way at Minuteman Press here in Rockwall made that for me. And what it says, if you didn't read it, is that you will never regret being kind. And the reason why I have that is a reminder to act as much as possible with professionalism to my adversaries, to my colleagues, to my vendors, and to anyone I encounter. And the reason why I need that reminder, and we all need that reminder, is because you never know what's cooking in someone else's pot. I have had a close colleague, somebody I have known for decades, over a decade, that suddenly in the last 90 days, it's like the wheels came off. And I don't know what happened to this individual, and I really didn't understand it until today. And this person had an epiphany. They had a great tragedy in their life. It took them out of action for essentially a good long period of time at a critical juncture in their business plan, first quarter business plan. And I didn't really understand it at the time, but this person trusted me enough and reached out to me enough today to explain what had happened. And it was just a reminder about how we all need to lift each other up and treat each other with kindness when possible, because we don't know what's cooking in someone else's pot.